All right, Lenore. This is the first time you're eating solid food. Here you are.
How'd she look?
I think she's confused. I don't know if she knows what's going on. You want some more?
Oh, she wants to hold this bowl.
Get into it. There you go. You're trying to suckle at it.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
It's gonna be
Yeah,
messy.
watch out.
Okay. Really, cat.
Don't
Really,
let him get cat hair in the food.
really, cat. Keep walking. Don't stop walking. Keep going, cat.
He's gonna put his nose.
Cat. But like when the spoon comes forward, she's opening up her mouth.
Maybe because
She's
she's been
kinda
watching
chewing.
us.
Yeah, no, she's chewing. You want some more? You got your mouth open. Hey, Lenore. Lenore.
Don't be distracted by the
Lenore.
kitchen.
Do you want some more? Do you want some more? Open. Yeah, she dove on it.
Sorry.
A cat. Really? Really, cat? I appreciate that you want to be part of the family thing. We're all together. We're all doing something fun. Here you go.
He just rubbed his ass all over. If I can go to the toilet.
You want more? This is weird, huh? Yeah, there's not a chance that we're eating all of this. You want some more? Hmm?
Oh.
Yeah. Is that fun? Would you like some more? Would you like some more? That's right. You gotta open your mouth.
I think she just realized she's being filmed.
You gonna eat it off your hand? Do you want some more? Ooh.
Okay. How did you? Yeah, you paint
Yep.
the table.
Painting the table. Would you like some more? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to change her after.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a given.
I wash the table. I wash the cat. And wash ourselves.
Maybe let her hold the spoon for a second. Want to hold the spoon?
You wanna hold the spoon? Chew, chew, chew.
Lenore, here, look. If she drops it, that's okay, because I got another spoon.
Yeah.
What do you do with the spoon? Where does the spoon go?
That's
Yeah.
right. In your mouth.
Yeah. Now let me try that. Where's it go? Oh, oh. Where's it go? Yeah, I'm covered. Want maybe Daddy try a couple bites?
So we're just going to keep going like this. But that's you eating your first solid food.
Rice cereal, yeah!